Okay, Neelu. Now I want someone who is struggling in career.
Okay. All
Anyone
right.
who is struggling in career, like wishing to have a job or need some source of earnings, second source
Right.
of earnings, or some monetary kind of issues anyone is facing.
Pratibha is here, who has a concern with her career. I'm looking for Pratibha. Pratibha, sending you a request to unmute and
Hello, how are you all doing?
all
Good.
well.
How are
Thank
you?
you.
Thank you
How are
so
you,
much.
Pratibha?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I
So,
think that it's a blessed day for me that I'm getting to talk. Yeah. Thank you so much.
thank
Would you
you.
be comfortable coming on video, Pratibha?
Oh yeah, sure, I will.
Please, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Upaji.
Yes, Pratibha.
Yeah.
So, are you looking for a job or just a source of earning, like
No,
a
no,
second source?
no. I am looking for a job plus a second source also. I am a single mother, three kids. So I'm looking for a stable career actually.
Okay. So, you are looking for a job.
Hmm.
Hmm? So,
Yeah.
basically, tell me, are you
Hmm.
also having some pain in the knees or in the lower body?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, Saturn is the lord of our career in
Right.
general,
Mm-hmm.
and Saturn governs our lower body. Whenever we are going through any kind of monetary issue, our
Mm-hmm.
lower body tells us we are going through issue and we need to address it.
Okay.
And astrology helps in that
Mm-hmm.
in two ways. Like, first, to deal with the negative effect or a positive effect if Saturn is good in your chart. Like, if your ascendant sign is Capricorn or Aquarius, so
Mm-hmm.
Saturn will become your good planet. But if it is malefic, so
Mm-hmm.
by knowing these planets, you
Mm-hmm.
will come to know which is your career lord, and you
Okay.
can perform remedies for that lifelong.
Okay.
You don't need to every now and then ask anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Then, secondly, like I will keep giving what are the transit of planets. Like, transit of planets means every day each planet moves, keep moving. So,
Mm-hmm.
in that way, if you know, like a Saturn or any other planet which is blocking your prosperity or
Mm-hmm.
not allowing you to get job,
Okay.
would you love to do remedy
Definitely.
for yourself?
Oh, very much. Definitely.
Yes.
Very much.
So
Definitely.
astrology is a tool. It
Mm-hmm.
is basically, in Hindi we call it Jyotish.
Yeah.
Jyotish is a combination of two words, Jyot plus Ish.
Hmm.
Jyot is a light,
Right.
Ish is God. So
Right.
astrology is light of a God to uplift our own life with the divine knowledge of astrology. So
Perfect.
it's basically for self help.
Okay.
When we are able to help ourselves, then only we are able to support our family, our
Very much.
friends, and others. So,
True.
like right now, you are facing the career related problem.
Mm-hmm.
So, I am going to give you and everyone else also, whoever is going through monetary issue. Nilu, that magical yantra,
Yes. Yes.
that particular magical yantra is
Right.
a very beautiful remedy
Okay.
which you don't need to do much thing. Just take a piece of paper
Okay.
with any color ink pen,
Mm-hmm.
make a square box with the three by three grid, the nine
Okay.
squares there. You
Mm-hmm.
can have a look on group. It is
Okay.
posted there, and
Mm-hmm.
just keep in your wallet, in your notepad, and if it is possible for you to daily draw it in a notepad,
Okay.
so that energy will enriched. It
Mm-hmm.
will help you to get a job or earnings as soon as possible.
Okay. Definitely.
Hmm?
Definitely help. Yeah. Can
Yeah,
I ask a
please.
question here, please? I've heard people say that Sun and Saturn in the same house. You know,
Hmm.
is not good. I have my
Yes.
Sun and Saturn in the seventh house. So, what would?
Yes. Basically, this is the reason of your single mother,
Okay.
because seventh house is a house of a partner, and
Mm.
when Sun and Saturn both are there, so
Mm-hmm.
it has separated you from your spouse.
Okay. Is there a remedy for that?
That would be very interesting to learn, wouldn't it?
Definitely. Very much. Yeah.
Yes, there
Awesome.
is, yes, there is a remedy to
Mm-hmm.
pacify it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, open your hands,
Okay.
just do this. The
Okay.
ring finger,
Mm-hmm.
fold the ring finger, press it with the thumb.
Surya
Do
Mudra.
this. Yes.
Okay.
Do it for 20 minutes daily,
Mm-hmm.
and you will become very positive.
All right. Okay. Definitely. Thank you so
Hmm?
very much.
Do
Yeah.
this.
Thank you.
Maji, there's I just wanted to actually ask you two things before we move on.
Sure.
Letting everybody know that the yantra, the picture is already on both the groups, and you've already heard the instructions. This is applicable for everyone. Everyone can
Yes,
use it. So,
applicable for everyone.
so please go ahead and
Anyone who is going through monetary issue,
right.
looking for a source of earning, whether to get a job or start of own business, anywhere. That's why it is a magical yantra. And if you count all the numbers from every, like, horizontal or vertical, the every count will be 15, and
Ah,
15 will
interesting.
again become the number 6, Venus, wealth.
Superb.
So
And
basically, numerology and astrology. Astrology is not only the one thing. Astrology is a water which easily gets gel with any kind of modality.
is there, where do we keep it after making it? In the
In the
wallet, or
wallet,
can we keep it in the temple?
in the wallet, don't keep in the temple, keep in the wallet or anywhere where you can easily look at that yantra, or energize with your energies, like you can keep your right palm over it, or just draw on your notepad. And it is a very powerful thing, but it is not something like that ki you can't throw it in a dustbin. Like, we are very much careful, like anything which is auspicious, we have a fear, we don't throw it in
Right,
any any in a dustbin. So
right.
it's nothing like that. It is just numerology, how to create the energies of wealth.
Fabulous. And there are people asking, Upmaji, because this has come up, I'm just bringing this up. Is this something that one should make daily and put in the wallet, or you just put it, make it once
if
and
you
keep
are
it in the wallet?
if you are keeping in the wallet, doing one time is enough, but I will say just to take it out daily and look at that yantra. So your communication or your energy with that should be always there. If like you had kept there and you forget, then how it is going to work?
Right. So you don't need to write it daily.
No, no, it's
Once
not
keep it, but
necessary to
make
make.
sure you interact with it.
Yes.
Fabulous. Yes, sorry, Upmaji.
I suggested her to make it daily because, like, right now, anyone who is looking for a job, if they are
Right.
making it daily, so in the deep conscious level, these planets and energies of numbers will help them to get quickly job.
Ah, understood, understood.